Hello friends. Just wanted to show you a little bit of this particular home. It's called Heron's Rest Nature Retreat, and I'm staying here for a couple weeks. It's quite a beautiful place. It's an Airbnb, and you might want to check it out sometime. All right, so this is their driveway, and come here into the front door. Over to the right. Okay, sorry for the glitch. Over to the right, after we come in the door, we have the theater room, and this is the full bar and pool table, and we have all these skylights here, and you can close them with the remote control. And then we have these 7 lounge chairs, so you can pull the shades and black out this room so it's like a total theater. That's about an 80-inch screen TV. And off to the side here, we have some beautiful little bedroom here with the television. We got the beautiful bathroom here. Very nice, very nice. And we come over here. Another bathroom here. Beautiful bathroom. Very nice. And this door, man. Big glass door. Beautiful tile. High grade tile. Beautiful place. Okay. Got another bedroom in here. And then we come back out here, and we're in the main, I don't know what you call this, like a lobby. We got a television here. And, oh yeah, I forgot to show this little bathroom off the side of the foyer, the entryway. We come in here. Got a full dining room table and a bar. Fireplace there, and full kitchen, and gigantic refrigerator. I think it looks like it's almost 4.5 feet wide or something. Beautiful commercial stove and oven. Copper sink. Then we got another pantry in here with another full-size refrigerator. And then we come over here, the part of the living room here. Over to the right here, we have a master bedroom, giant closet. And here's the bedroom. And we got this beautiful standalone tub. Beautiful shower. 2 shower heads and 2 valves. Beautiful vanity there. The sliding glass door leading you outside. Yeah. And down here, we have another master bathroom in here. Beautiful tile work, man. And then we have in here another bedroom. Okay. We have another hallway bathroom. Beautiful work again. Another one of these fancy showers with a huge glass door on it. It's unbelievable quality. Really high quality shower. Door and tile. And we got the laundry room in here. Beautiful laundry room, wow. And then we have the gym. Beautiful gym with a full-size 70-inch screen TV. Yeah. Turn off this light. Okay. And then we got another room over here. Another bathroom. And beautiful tile work. And 2 twin beds with remote controls for lifting up your feet or whatever you want. TV in here. Same thing over here. Really fancy. All right. That's it. You see, oh no, you haven't seen everything. Now, go out here and look at this glass door, this sliding glass door. It's 8 feet tall. It's about 40 feet long. It's huge. Beautiful. All right. Close this door so I'll come in. And out here, we got a full bar over here. Large screen TV. Got a pizza oven and a grill. Got refrigerators and everything down here. And look at this. Look at this fancy. And we have this outdoor amphitheater type of setup here with a huge TV there. Got an outdoor shower right there for the sauna, dry heat sauna. The outdoor bathroom. And then we go back over here. Some places to sit here. People to just hang out. Then we have this beautiful little koi pond. Hey fishies, how you guys doing? They're pretty big. Where's the bright orange one? Where is he? Down there. Yep. So there's the koi fish. Okay, here's the babbling brook that feeds the koi pond. All the way down to over there. That's the house. That's the big 20-person table sitting out underneath this awning. And then go over here. We got this little fireplace here. Nice little bench. Got some views. Neighbor's swimming pool down there. Got a jacuzzi there. If you want to do some jacuzzi. Beautiful flowers and succulents everywhere. Got the pepper tree. Beautiful pepper tree. It's a koi fish again. That's the biggest one, I think. That orange one. Another place to hang out. You can walk down this trail. Have a terraced garden over here. All these flowers. Flowers, flowers. Available anytime after October. All right, so here we are. We got more flowers here. We got sort of a terraced garden here. We got one row of fruit trees, and then rows of flowers, and as you can see, it goes all the way down there, quite a ways. That's looking west towards the sunset. Here's all these flowers. Fruit trees, oranges. I wish I could name all of these flowers. I don't know the name. Here with some small avocados on them. Not very big yet. More flowers, avocado trees. And look at that. Look at these water tanks. That's all storm drain water. Stores up from the storm drains. He's able to water a lot of his garden up here with that. There's about 30,000 gallons of water here. I've calculated it. Okay, we continue past the water tanks and pump down there. Over here, this little work shed here. It's up the hill right there. Okay, we're down here with a little bird bath there. Down here by this is a delicious orange tree. I've tried this one. It's really sweet. They're really sweet oranges. Nice flavor. They don't look that nice. They're not real attractive to the eye, but they're very juicy and sweet. I'll eat that one later. Maybe I'll get one right here. All right. Okay. All right. So that's how we roll here. Go back up to the top from here. Guys got the full tour. Got the full tour. All right. Got a view of the hills over there. And back home. And back home. All right. That's it. God bless you.